Well, good morning again, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you on Christmas Eve. And I stumbled across something called Clifford Inu. What better way to close out the year than with Clifford, the dog Inu? These meme coins have gotten out of control, and I just want to dig into this and see if there's anything to it. Okay, when we look at Clifford Inu, it's got a crazy, oh my goodness, is this right? Is this right? Let's just look at this again. It's up 20% in the last 24 hours. And I think it was up 79% yesterday. Okay, why is it that people just love these meme coins? I guess this is just the time period we're living in, and we just have to accept it and understand that people's love for these meme coins is real. Look at this, folks. Look at it. It's got a market cap of let's see here. It says diluted market cap of 79,120,000. That can't be right. Is that right? Now we got over here. It says fully, but on the market cap, it says, why is there no market cap? Let's click on the read more. And it says that the circulating supply is best approximation of the number of assets. So we don't have a clear picture of what the real market cap is for this particular token. And you can see the graph here. I want to look at the 7-day. You can see it's all over the place. It's up and down. Let's look at all of it. Okay, so this thing has been around since, looks like 12, 15, 2000. It just came out. This is a brand new coin, folks. It's 12, 15, 2021. So if we start thinking about, say, Shiba Inu when it came out, and how long it took before it jumped and went berserk. Okay, we can see that this one might have about 6 months before people fall in love with it and decide that they want to throw some money at it. There's a little money being thrown to it, but we don't know what this coin is really going to do. It's ranked number 3047. Let's go over to the website and take a look at this. It says, meet Clifford Inu, the dog token that never stops growing. Okay, a highly deflationary token on the Ethereum blockchain. Here we go. It's just no effort for people to create an ERC20 token anymore. Okay, I've got a couple videos on this channel talking about, I think that this is the new way of raising money. Okay, before we used to beg people on Patreon. Now everybody just goes out and creates their own coin, slaps it on top of their project and says they're trying to save the world. Put a little dog on there. I guess that's put a dog on there and steal half the name of another token, and there you are. There you have it. Your sandwich is ready. Okay, but it says that the token is on the Ethereum blockchain that never stops pumping through the use of true deflationary techniques and further income generation. Okay, let's go down to this ecosystem. What does it say? It's String Cliff, a highly deflationary token on the Ethereum blockchain. They're repeating themselves. One of the main issues cryptocurrency projects face is the lack of long-term volume, which invariably slows down further development and any subsequent reinvestment into the enhancing the project. Clifford Inu solves this by investing a percentage of the marketing wallet into yield-bearing assets, with profits generated inherently reintroduced back into the project in the form of marketing, token buybacks, etc. Okay, token buybacks, etc. Thereby increasing the profile of the project and attracting new investors. Okay, so here's a use case. Clifford not only grows inwards but outwards as well. It looks like they've got blue chip NFTs, stablecoin staking, yield farms, etc. Look at this little graph. They're talking about liquidity, marketing, Dev fee, marketing. Okay, they're showing you the breakdown of the money, the buying taxes and the selling taxes. They're trying to give you a pictorial. Let's see if we can get a better view of this pictorial diagram here. There are token launch. They're trying to show you that they got an automatic burn in here, that they listed it, that they're set the burn time, campaign rollout, acquisitions, and their use cases. So this is interesting. And then, of course, they've got a how to buy here. But nonetheless, it is a, now, of course, they got a wallet where you can send and receive. You can connect your wallet. It sounds like your standard markup for any token that's first introduced on the market. So I don't see anything really especially unique about this token, other than the fact that they've got the big red dog up here. That being said, people love these meme coins, and we'll just have to see what's going to happen. Okay, when we look here and see, I want to see where it's available. That's important as well. We go to market. It's only available on Uniswap. Okay, so when you start talking about new, this token is new. Welcome to the ball game, Clifford. 0.00007 cents for those of you who are interested in flying over to Uniswap and throwing some money at Clifford. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll catch you on the next one.